Good morning guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys what I got my son for an Easter basket, and I will be showing you everything that I got. And I got everything from Dollar Tree other than one thing from Target, and it cost $1. And the total value of everything that I'm going to be showing you is $15. And so let's get started. And if you guys like lifestyle and just home tips and tricks videos, subscribe down below. And yeah, so the first thing I want to show you what I got is a Easter Easter bucket, which I will be putting all of his stuff in here. The next thing is a coloring book, a Paw Patrol coloring book. He's been into puppies and dogs lately, so I got him one of these. We'll just put it in here. Also got him some crayons for the coloring book. I got him a coloring paint set, so it's Easter themed and had some paint down here. Let's see, fit in here. All the stuff that I got might not fit in here, but also I got him little Easter notepads. He really likes to color, so I thought on the go, while we're out and about, I can bring this and he can color on them. I'll probably open that up. Also, I got him some Easter peeps, kind of to the Easter theme. I got him some Easter little bauble, and it has some candy in here. Some peanut butter eggs. Got him a Crayola dough. It's like Play-Doh. Just one big color orange. Let's see. I also got him a ceramic painting set, a rabbit or bunny, and this is what I got from Target. It was $1 bubbles. I've never done bubbles with him, so I think this is gonna be really fun. And I got him something for a new house that we're moving into, is chalk. Out here in the rent place, I've never used, we never went out and did chalk, so I got this for him from the dollar store. Chalk. And that is all that I got. Bubbles, chalk, some little desserts for him, some candy. I think they're just like Skittles type. Some peanut butter eggs, Play-Doh, painting ceramic toy, some notepad when we go out so he can color, some crayons for his Paw Patrol coloring book, and a painting kit with some rabbit painting things, and a little bucket to put everything in there. And so yeah, I will put everything in the bucket and just kind of do a slow video so you guys can see. What's that, Jake? That's not Yum Yum Yum. That's Play-Doh. This is Yum Yum Yum. No, for me? Thank you. You have to wait till Easter though, but yum. Hope you guys had got some ideas from what I got my son for an Easter basket, and it was literally a whole bunch of different stuff that are interesting, and they were only about around 15 bucks. And he's gonna have fun painting and coloring and Play-Doh and bubbles, just a whole bunch of different stuff. And there's, in the dollar store right now, so many Easter stuff, like different varieties for all kinds of ages and not expensive. So yeah, hope you guys found this video beneficial, and see you guys till next time. Bye.